Okay, this is the Maiden of my park scale models, Monocoupe 90a. Oh gee, I don't remember when I finished building this plane. It's been on display for a couple of years because it turned out so nice I didn't want to try and fly it. But now I got to do it. Let's see how this goes. Come on, come on. There we go. Definitely need high rate on the elevator. Yeah, I got some trimming to do. Not a lot. Need a lot more throw on the ailerons. They're on high rate and they're not terribly effective. Of course, they're not full span either. Not overpowered, that's for sure. That's full throttle. I don't think I'm going to mess with the flaps yet. Yeah, I think I'd like to have another 20 or 30 watts.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Yeah, I gotta put some more throw in the ailerons, that's for sure. And I have to fly it at full throttle. I know this motor can do 3S. Maybe that's what I should do. Ooh, looks like I tweaked the main gear a little bit.
Motor off.
Aha. That might help a bit. Oh yeah, much better.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Okay, I got 3 minutes airborne power on. I don't think it's going to do more than 4 or so because I'm running full throttle all the time. And I don't want to dead stick it in the bushes. Oh yeah, much better on the ailerons now. She flies nice. blew that one. Okay, I think I'll quit while I'm ahead. Work on giving it a little more horsepower. Whoa, what did I knock off? Oh, strut cover, no problem. It's magnetic.